Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to isolate vocals in any song for free. So in many tutorials online, you'll see how to do this in Audacity. The methods used in those tutorials don't have great results, and the vocals will not sound that great afterwards. The method I'm about to show you not only works on just about any device, including your phones and computers, it does not require you to download any software, and the results sound great. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using a website called spleeter.ai, and check the description because I'll have the link down there, as well as a detailed write-up. Spleeter.ai uses open source technology that was created by Deezer. Deezer is a company that's very similar to Spotify. It's just a music streaming service. Well, they did some research and wrote software that isolates different parts of songs so that they could analyze it better. I'll add this information to the description if you want to look at the technology behind this. They also have a GitHub that goes into how it's open source and everything like that. To get started, the first thing you need to do is just simply go to the website spleeter.ai in the browser on your phone or your computer. Then you just need to have a song that you want to isolate the vocals on. So I downloaded a song from the YouTube audio library. So it's Creative Commons. I don't have to worry about any sort of copyright. So real quick, I'm going to play the song for you so you get an idea of what the song sounds like, and I'll start at 9 seconds. Keep 9 seconds in mind because when I show you the isolated vocals, that's where I'll start as well. So I'm going to go ahead and play it. Now let's go back to spleeter.ai and you'll see community upload. The first option on the left side is going to be select model. Now for us, we're going to be using two-stem model, which just creates two different audio files, the instrumentals in the audio and then just the vocals. You also have the option for a 5-stem model, and basically what that means is it'll isolate the instrumentals into bass, drums, piano, other, and then vocals. So you'll have 5 different files. So I'm going to select 2-stem model. After we've selected the model, just go ahead and select drop song here. And then we can find the song that we want to isolate the vocals for on our computer. Go ahead and select that file. It'll upload the song and then start processing it. So as you can see now, it says they're working on it, so they're currently processing it, and it can take several minutes. I've seen some people say it took almost an hour, but this is a free service, so just give it time. Once it completes, to download the actual isolated vocals, what we need to do is go up to the top right up here and select My Uploads. This will show us the songs that are ready. So as you can see, the song completed, and it is 5 megabytes. So I like that they show you how large the file is. Go ahead and select Download Pack, and then save it to your computer or your phone. One thing to keep in mind, the downloaded file will be a compressed file. You should be able to open the zipped file without having to have any additional software on your iPhone, Android, or your computer. But if for some reason it's not working, check the description because I'll have a link down there to software you can use. So I'm just going to open up the compressed file. And then in here, you can see I have 2 different files, accompaniment and then vocals. Accompaniment will be the instrumentals in the song. So if you wanted to remove the vocals, that would be the file you're looking for. And then vocals will just be the isolated vocals. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Then when I jump to 9 seconds and play it, you can hear the vocals isolated and they sound great. Silent night, holy night, all is calm. All right, so that's how you isolate the vocals from any song for free. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.